Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello YouTuber Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install Anydesk remote software in mobile and connect to any laptop or PC. So for this case, first of all we have to check in my PC Anydesk is present here or not. Here before my first part Anydesk already I've installed, and that's video already I provided in my YouTube channel. So please see the first Anydesk installation in PC. Then here is my address. So now I will install in my mobile. So how? So first of all I have to go to the Play Store, then write the Anydesk app. So Anydesk, here we can see clearly Anydesk remote desktop connect installed. It is installing. It is installed. So now I can open, allow Anydesk to send you notification. Okay, don't see, or it cancel. So here is my address 13742860079. So if here also I can connect it from my laptop. So woman, my laptop number and the Windows and my laptop. The specification address is last three digit is 612. Here is also 612. It is getting. Now I connect from the mobile side. So here I can click my mobile woman laptop. See, it has come from mobile to laptop. Accept. See, so I can see from the mobile to desktop side. So if I am doing something in my laptop, so I can monitor or I can see clearly from the mobile side. So how? Here I can do anything, right? I can read my any paper. See, this is the paper, and the mobile side I can see it clearly. See this, it is moving. Now I will disconnect this. Okay, session close. Now I want to connect from the laptop to mobile. So how? Here is my mobile address number. So if I click here, see, it is connecting, power on. So first time or no device found, it has not getting. So check my address. This is not the address. See, also here which one? My address is here 079. So click here. So here I will give from the I am aware of this risk, don't show again, and it is going on. Accept. Start now. Also it is recording. So here I can do anything from the mobile. Then I can utilize, or I can get the power from the mobile. So here I can write anything, geometry topics. So see, I can monitor it from the laptop to my mobile phone. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will very help you so much.